In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an email pop-up to SquareSpace. We'll be working inside your SquareSpace settings to turn on a promotional pop-up, choose what you want it to do, customize the message, and then adjust when it appears for visitors. This is a useful feature if you want to grow your email list or highlight a specific action on your website. To begin, go into your SquareSpace dashboard and click on Website. From there, click on Pages. Once you're in the Pages area, look for Marketing Tools and select it. Inside that section, click on Promotional Pop-up. This is where SquareSpace lets you create and manage the pop-up that appears on your site. When the pop-up settings open, click on Display Pop-up to enable it. If this setting is off, visitors won't see anything, so this is an important first step. Next, click on Action. In this section, you'll choose the goal of the pop-up. For an email pop-up, you can select the option to sign up for a newsletter. SquareSpace may also give you the option to use a button instead, depending on what you want the pop-up to accomplish. Choose the goal that best matches your purpose, then go back to the previous screen once that's set. Now click on Content. This is where you'll edit the actual text visitors will see. Update the headline so it clearly tells people what they're signing up for, and edit the B text to make the offer or benefit easy to understand. Keep your wording short, friendly, and specific so the pop-up feels helpful rather than distracting. Once you've finished editing the text, click Save. After saving, go back again. From there, click on Display and Timing. This section controls when the pop-up appears on your site. You can then select the timing that works best for your audience. For example, you may want it to appear after someone has spent a little time on the page rather than showing you immediately. In general, choosing a timing that gives visitors a moment to engage with your content first can create a better experience. And that's it. You've now set up your SquareSpace email pop-up by enabling the promotional pop-up, choosing the action, updating the content, saving your changes, and selecting the display timing. After you finish, it's always a good idea to preview your site and make sure the pop-up looks the way you expect. That way, you can confirm the message is clear and the timing feels natural for your visitors.